Hey guys, EG Scary unboxing. This is going to be the third mask in this massive haul of cheap Amazon masks. Alright, so all three came in different packaging. This one is the standard Amazon plastic bag. So let's take a look at it. Oh, look at that, ripped. So let's use that as a starting point. Alright, so, whoa, what do we have here? So this one says realistic female latex mask, face, cross-dressing Sissy, new. Alright then. It's even got eyelashes, lipstick, and hair. So let's try this out. So this is a thinner latex. The hair on it is terrible. It definitely looks like a woman. So let's try it out. Alright, so guys, here's another thing. This one also, like the last one, it has two small holes in here for the nostrils. That's the only point to breathe. There's no slit in the mouth. So when I put this on, it's almost impossible to breathe. It does not line up with my head at all, but I'm going to show you. Alright guys, so here it is. I'm looking at you through right here in the nostril. I cannot get it to my eyes. This would probably be better as a prop in a casket or something of that sort, but it's awful to wear. Doesn't fit, but I thought, hey, what if Michael Myers didn't find the William Shatner and he found this? Alright guys, that's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. EG Scary, out.